The Center for Healthy Living, it encompasses all of our programs. Within that, we have our fitness students doing personal training, we have our massage students doing massage therapy, nutrition students will do nutritional counseling. We also have a bunch of workshops that we offer throughout the year. The Healthy Changes program that runs, that is a program where you get to learn a little bit about exercise, healthy cooking with a chef, and we also talk about goal setting and behavior change. Being involved in the Center for Healthy Living for students allows them a safe environment to go out and practice their skills. So it really gives them that touch of what the real world is going to be like. Our fitness training programs, they get a client and they'll work with them twice a week for a whole semester, so they get to learn how to build rapport. They get to learn how to get them in the gym and move around the gym with the client. We took students to Longo's headquarters to do the health fair. So it really gave them opportunity for experiential learning. After many years, the CHL has its own space. And so now you can go in and book fitness assessment, for example. So the exercise science and lifestyle management students will be doing bod pod and strength testing. You can go in there and book to go to one of the workshops. So it's nice to have a space where people can go and sign up and find literature on our programs. Some advice that I would have for someone who is interested in making a lifestyle change would be to just jump in and find any of the programs that interest you. If you want to be more physically active, then I think the trainers are a great place to start. If you just want to pick up tidbits of wellness, then I think signing up for the workshops would be great. There's also the Healthy Changes program, looking at yourself and what your actual goals are and things that you want to change and what you're comfortable with. So I think being able to access that and just taking a jump and doing it, I think would be the advice I would give.